Hello friends, by the time you see this video, I am sure you will be aware of the big news, biggest news to come down the pike in a long time. The second Saturday of September is officially Annual Record Cleaning Day. That's right, all of us that have the ability to clean records are now obligated to go to our local record stores, set up our machines, and clean records for free. It's clearly the best thing we can do for the future. So we're getting ready early. We're going to make up some flyers and bring them to Recycled Records here in Reno, Nevada. By the way, if you're in Northern Nevada or heck in Northern California, Roseville, Rockland, Sacramento, make the trip over on the 14th of September. Bring your favorite record with you and we'll clean it. For those of you out there who are record cleaners yourself, get to your local record store and arrange to set it up. I am quite confident they will welcome you with open arms. Our local guys sure have. We're looking forward to it. The world will be a better place. Guaranteed. Oh, and one more thing. If you caught our episode a few weeks ago where we highlighted our music library, we also asked for you guys to send in pictures of your music library. How do you store your vinyl, your CDs, tapes, whatever it is that you collect? We did receive a few entries, and we'd like to ask you to maybe consider sending in a few more. We'd love to do an episode where we highlight these things. So there's a link below to our email address. Please do send in some pictures and or video of how you store your vinyl. We'd love to see it. In the meantime, we'll see you at the record store.
Have you heard back on the federal holiday?
I'm sure it will be. I'm sure our learned, distinguished, very intelligent leaders in Washington are working that out right now. I had such a nice ending, didn't you?